want to thank the Lord for orchestrating this amazing journey, for ensuring that I cross paths with this phenomenal and most beautiful woman before me, whom I will call my wife officially and with confidence from this moment forth. I am so fortunate and highly blessed to have had this lady by my side through unbearable storms and most pleasant sunshines. I just want to reassure you that I am going nowhere. Let's buckle up, my love, and take this never-ending journey together as one. I love you, Madlomo, more than you can ever imagine.
You are my every reason, my hope, and every dream that I've had. You taught me that love is patient. You've taught me that love is kind. I thank God for you, for being authentic in our love story. Today, before our God, our families, I make a conscious decision to be your wife. I promise to continue praying for you, praying together, but mostly I promise to continue to bring you closer to God, because we know that God protects. I promise to drive you crazy, to laugh out loud. I promise to call you baby, Dwam, even when you make me angry. I fall in love with your smile every day. It's what keeps me going, and it's what I fall in love with. You've taught me it's not about what you have, but it's about who you are. I promise to respect you. I promise to appreciate you. I promise to always be by your side through any challenges. Thank you for being my solace. Thank you for coming into my life, because ever since you've walked into my life, I've seen lighter days and I've seen brighter days. Dingo wako Pechula, dingo wako Dia, dingo wako Ndungwana, dingo wako Kresha. Nothing will ever separate us. I love you.
Zenanda, ukhulile waba ngubhuti wabantwana. In the absence of mamake, not to take anyone back, but he's been there through thick and thin. Ebajongile ngongathi ngumntana lo uhlatyelwayo kwathiwa uzojonga abantwana uzokungabajongi nje uyawubona. That is how he has treated the siblings zakhe. And nyani siphanse senza iphutha lobana singabamention, yet they've been that unit. Behamba noSabu engashiyeki uSabu. Ndingakhange ndilibazise, siyakubulela mntanam, sibulela lento uyiyo. You are setting an example kwi-cousins zakho eziya ezininzi. Naziya mntanam, they are here to support you. I know it's touching, but unfortunately this is why we are here.
I remember ndandisitya ndiyayithanda inyama, andingumuntu osherayo. Ndandisitya ndaqomba lena sayibona apha bayiphakamile ne uhamba nonande ne uhamba wangena apha endlini ndathi makangene ndambuzisisa imuzi yathi sister ungabuzi kakhulu wethu futhi ungabuzi kakhulu ndiyabona ubana woyika imntaka yakhe ibhabhe ndayi ndifuna ukwazi nje ngowaphi ndicinga ubana ndiyamazi mos lo mntana ngulo ngaka athi eyi wena ke ngokuvusiwe so ndanewari ubana ndam-ofarisha inyama yam ndinqoma andithandi ndibona nje ndam-ofarisha ndicimba akazoyitya but ndambona apha ubana ungumntu yho wayitya inyama yam